Learning is not attained by chance. It is sought for with ardor and diligence. Therefore, learning takes place and it is a continuous process throughout the year and throughout your life. Good morning, respected Principal Sir, dear parents, dear teachers, and to all my beloved students, especially to the freshers and to the students of St. Joseph School, Paika. I stand here and I am assigned to welcome all of you today to this prestigious institution. If you remember that, you are very lucky to be in one of the most prestigious institutions that is rising and growing up with very careful meticulation in the process of education in Golpara district. And today, I tell you that you are really lucky to be here. And I welcome all of you on behalf of our principal sir, on behalf of our beloved parents, on behalf of our dear teachers, and on behalf of the entire institution to the inauguration of the new academic year 25-26. I am assigned to exhort and I am assigned to tell you certain things today. As we inaugurate this prestigious and auspicious day, to welcome the newcomers as well as to begin with the old. There are certain roles that is already set aside. But dear students, you are welcome and you are already coming here in the form with a different lifestyle. You know that as you step into this institution, you should remember that you are already preparing in your mind what is going to take place in the school. As you stand here, you have to remember that, yes, today I am going to the school. So I must plan in my mind beforehand what I am planning to do in the school. And that is your role as a student. And as teachers' role, teachers are here to inspire you a lot, to give you ample of opportunity to question your knowledge and the knowledge that you gain, and to motivate you to the highest level without forgetting your goal and aim in your life. Therefore, my dear students, what should be your role? Your role is to combine and compile and join your teaching's role. Students, you must remember one important thing here, the value of education. You know, when we go through the path of education, you acquire knowledge, you acquire certain skills, you acquire 21st century skills, critical thinking, competency-based competitive exams. You come across certain aspects of your life where you require certain attention emotionally and socially and intellectually. And our teachers are well prepared to give you such guidance and direction under the great leadership of our beloved principal sir. And that's why I say today that this is a prestigious institution and you are very lucky to be here. And that too in our Golpara district. Now you have to remember one more thing, my dear students. You know Each day you come here, you have an aim in your life. When you prepare yourself in the house, you must remember, I have some aim in my life. I want to become an engineer, I want to become a doctor, I want to become a teacher, I want to become a professor, I want to become someone great, a great scientist in my life. Then you have to design your life, not here. You have to design your life first in your house, in your mind, and then your design and your desire and your steps that you have taken will be fulfilled here in our institution. I assure you that. And I believe and I think you can do so. Therefore, I would exhort you in such a way that your desire will never be faded here, your aim in life will never be faded here, and your desire will never be cut short here, and your steps will never be fumbled here. Because our institution, under the strict guidance and discipline and academic vigilance of performance under the leadership of Principal Sir and our teachers will guide you till the end. Therefore, my dear students, each day you have a goal towards your aim. Each and every day you have different goals, and that goals you have to keep in mind. What is my goal today? What am I supposed to do today? And that should take you to your aim in life. I am not going to keep you long, but I want to tell you one more thing. Students, remember, today you are here and you are lucky, and your aspirations and your hope and your desire and your design and your ambition will never fail here, but you will flourish here like something that grows each and every day. Therefore, I would advise you to be continuously learning each and every day without postponing, without delaying anything. Each and every day, the steps that you take towards your goal, towards your aim, must continue to thrive and shine in our institution. Wish you all the best. Thank you.